Good day everyone. So our topic for today is how to identify the conic section. So first muna itong mga question nga dapat atong sundon. So are both variables are squared? Pag no siya, may mo siyang parabola. If yes, if yes, matuta sa second question. So do the squared term have opposite sign? If yes, may mo siyang hyperbola. If no, ato sa tasa third question. Are the squared terms multiplied by the same numbers? If yes, may mo siyang circle. If no, may mo siyang ellipse. So, nata example diri para mabala nato. Example number 1. So, are both variables are squared? So, squared man sila atong variable. So, may mo siyang yes siya. So, madto ta sa second question. So, do the squared terms have opposite sign? So, pareha man sila positive. So no siya. So madto ta sa third question. Are the squared terms multiplied by the same number? If yes, circle siya. If no, ellipse. So same sila nga numbers. So may mo siyang circle. So dito ta sa second example. So are both variables are squared? So 6 squared plus 12x minus y plus 15 equal to 0. So dili man siya squared, di man sila yung variables kay squared. So may mo siyang parabola. So next is third example is are both our variables squared? So yung variables are squared man. So madto ta sa yes. Do the squared terms have opposite sign? So same ba sila opposite? So dili man gyapon sila same. So dito gyapon ta sa no. Are the squared terms multiplied by the same number? If yes, circle siya. If no, may mo siyang ellipse. So dili man siya same og kuan number. So may mo siyang ellipse. Then example number 4 is are both variables are squared? So squared man sila. Then if yes, dito ta sa second question. If do the squared terms have opposite sign? So opposite sign man sila kay positive ug negative man. So may mo siya og hyperbola. Then sa next is sa example number 5 is are both variables are squared? If yes, squared man sila. Squared na siya. Squared. If yes, madto ta sa second question. So do the squared term have opposite sign? So positive and negative man siya. So may magyapon siya hyperbola. So mao ra ang pagkuha sa or pag-identify sa mga conic section. So natay circle, parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse.